Foxtrot Charlie. Request IFR clearance to TVC Bird International.
November 985 Foxtrot Charlie. Cleared to TVC Bird International. Routing direct. Maintain flight level 070. Squawk 3014.
Cleared IFR to TVC Bird International. Routing direct. Maintain flight level 070. Squawk 3014. November 985 Foxtrot Charlie.
November 985 Foxtrot Charlie. Read that correct.
Princess Juliana International Tower, November 914 Whiskey Juliet. Request IFR clearance to San Juan.
November 914 Whiskey Juliet. Cleared to San Juan. Routing as filed. Maintain flight level 120. Squawk 3015.
Cleared IFR to San Juan route as filed. Maintain flight level 120. Squawk 3015. November 914 Whiskey Juliet.
November 914 Whiskey Juliet. Read that correct.
November 974 Sierra Oscar. Inbound to runway 10.
4 Sierra Oscar. Conditions below VFR minimum. Approach at your discretion. Runway 10. Wind 210 degrees at 8 knots. Gust 14.
Approach at my discretion. Runway 10. 4 Sierra Oscar.
4 Sierra Oscar. Contact San Juan Oceanic Center. 118.150.
Contact San Juan Oceanic Center. 118.150. 4 Sierra Oscar.
Princess Juliana International Tower, November 788 November Romeo. Request IFR clearance to St. Kitts Bradshaw International.
November 788 November Romeo. Cleared to St. Kitts Bradshaw International. Routing direct. Maintain flight level 070. Squawk 3017.
Cleared IFR to St. Kitts Bradshaw International route direct. Maintain flight level 070. Squawk 3017. November 788 November Romeo.
November 788 November Romeo. Read that correct.
Princess Juliana International Tower, November 520 X-Ray Tango. Request IFR clearance to Owensboro, Davies County.
November 520 X-Ray Tango. Cleared to Owensboro, Davies County. Routing as filed. Maintain flight level 390. Squawk 3020.
Cleared IFR to Owensboro, Davies County as filed. Maintain flight level 390. Squawk 3020. November 520 X-Ray Tango.
November 520 X-Ray Tango. Read that correct.
Princess Juliana International Tower, November 947 Foxtrot Delta. Request IFR clearance to TVC Bird International.
November 947 Foxtrot Delta. Cleared to TVC Bird International. Routing direct. Maintain flight level 130. Squawk 3021.
Cleared IFR to TVC Bird International route direct. Maintain flight level 130. Squawk 3021. November 947 Foxtrot Delta.
November 947 Foxtrot Delta. Read that correct.
Princess Juliana International Tower, November 133 Sierra Charlie. Request IFR clearance to Terrence B. Letson International.
November 133 Sierra Charlie. Cleared to Terrence B. Letson International. Routing direct. Maintain flight level 120. Squawk 3022.
Cleared IFR to Terrence B. Letson International. Routing direct. Maintain flight level 120. Squawk 3022. November 133 Sierra Charlie.
November 133 Sierra Charlie. Read that correct.
Princess Juliana International Tower, November 860 Kilo Hotel. Request IF.